Guys, I'm quite a fan of getting maximum results with minimal prompting with these AI art generators, and Ideogram stands out to me because it's actually quite fast if you get the paid version. And the second thing is that it puts text on images in a mind-blowing way. So I was doing some work and I put a prompt which was actually really simple. Kermit appreciating the words of wisdom he read on his phone. Now Ideogram generated these images. Some of them might not be relevant, some of them don't have text on them, but this one stood out to me, this second one. I didn't ask it to write this code, but if you see this picture, it's Kermit. He's looking on his phone and the text above reads, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is gift. There's a bit of a spelling mistake and a repetition, and then it continues like that is why it's called the present. This is quite amazing because Ideogram, like I mentioned in my earlier video, is doing the heavy lifting for you. And if you use other AI image generators, you can go over here. Here you have the prompt section, then the magic prompt. Magic prompt is what it generates from its own understanding. Just copy it and put it at some other AI image generator and you'll see the difference and why I talk about Ideogram a lot. And then there's this one with the same prompt. It reads, if the only tool you have is a hammer, you tend, there's some odd word in between TED, just ignore this one, to see every problem as a nail. But you get it, as Ideogram will improve, you can have better text on the images, but still it's actually good. After this image I was curious what I could do with very less words, so I just wrote words of wisdom in form of a quote, and these three images are not relevant. This is just gibberish written, but this one actually stands out because it's so accurately written. Words of wisdom are like seeds, they grow in the hearts who plant them with care. Now this, guys, is something really unique. Even if you have a free account, you can try it out. You will have 25 prompts each day, and you can make these sorts of codes. If you haven't tried out Ideogram, you have to try it. I also have other videos on the channel about Ideogram and you might be seeing them on the screen. So I'll see you in the next one.